How to find nearby Wells Fargo ATM. Hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can easily find your nearby Wells Fargo ATMs. So the first thing you're going to have to do is simply log into your account. There are quite a few ways that you can find your nearby ATMs. So once you have the app open, you can directly go ahead and search for this. So you can go ahead and go to the tools or go to your ATM services in the app, then settings. Then you can go ahead and click on view or print nearby ATMs. If you are not able to see that, you can head over to this link right here, ATM and branch locator, and then allow your location service, or you could manually enter the zip code or the city or state that you're in. Click on the search option. So just enter a zip code. So for example, you can enter your city here and you can select the location of the map. And as you can see, it will show you the ATMs like this. So if you tap on it, you can go ahead and directly go to the ATM following the map. And that's how you basically find nearby ATMs in the Wells Fargo app. If you found the tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video down below and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.